Okay, today we're cold smoking cheese. And if you've got a small smoker, you can definitely smoke in that. But I'm going to show you a couple of different options for smoking. And the secret to a good smoked cheese is you want to keep your temperature under 95 degrees. And it's in the low 90s today, so this is out of the question unless I'm going to start it really early. But I'll show you a couple of options here. This is a smoker box. And what I do is hit it with a torch like this, get it going. You can see that smoking, so that won't raise the temperature too much. This is a little smoke infuser, and for smoke, what I like to use is either Jack Daniels, like right on a couple of pieces of lump charcoal, or some pellets. And these are like Traeger pellets. And that's what I put in this little infusion smoker. Just what runs on two AA batteries. This is $20 on Amazon. And this smoke box is $10 at any Home Depot or Lowe's. The cheese that I'm going to smoke today is Gouda. And it's got a waxy cover on it. I like to do Gouda, Edam, and a really good aged extra old cheddar is really good. So I'm just going to take the wax coating off of this. Cut it in half, and the wax just peels off like that. Cutting it in half gives you a little more surface area. There, the wax is off. Now, you can take a little rack. This is a rack out of an air fryer. And what I'm going to do is I can either put it on the grill, so this is off, and then I can just put my little smoke box in there. Or you could get a cardboard box or a plastic tote or whatever you like and just set your cheese on. So I'm actually going to put it in this little smoker today, but it's not on. I'll put this little rack in like that, and I'll put the cheese on, space it out just like that. That'll give me a good hour of smoking, and that's all I want to do, just 1 hour. If you're new to smoking, sneak up on it. You don't want something that's so over the top that you can't taste what you've smoked. So, yeah, that looks good. So I've got the little vent open on the top. I'm going to let that go for 1 hour. And I know from doing this in the past that that little smoker box with half filled with pellets, lighting it with the torch, is going to go for about an hour and put some nice clean smoke into it. I really enjoy the pellets. I like smoking with apple wood. And these ones are hickory, and this is made from Jack Daniels barrels. Now, the other thing that I wanted to point out is that little rack that I had, you could put it into a bowl, and you could take the smoke infuser and put the rack in, put the cheese on top, stick the end of the tube in, and then cover it with saran wrap, and then turn it on. And that would put some nice smoke into that too. This is perfect for if you don't have a smoker, or you just have a balcony, or you want to go to a park or something. You can make ribs ahead of time, like in any cheater way that you want, but add some smoke in the end. And you can definitely do it in a little box or whatever you have on your balcony. I'm going to let that go for an hour. Okay, my smoker tube has been burning rock solid for an hour and it's still producing, as you can see right now. Yeah, look at the smoke on that. Wow. Even if you have a smoker, a fancy smoker, I suggest getting one of these smoke tubes. I have half a dozen of them scattered all over the place, and it's just like instant smoke. I really enjoy the pellets. They're easy to start with the blowtorch, and the smoke infusion, where you just put a couple of pellets on the top. That's a great way too. And again, just to recap, you just put the little grate in the bottom, put your cheese on top, put the smoker tube in with a little bit of cellophane on the top. It's perfect. That's $20. The smoker tubes are $10 at any big box store, and makes a great gift for somebody or a treat for yourself. Now, on to the last step. First of all, it's kind of soft because it's so warm out here. First of all, we have to taste it. Oh yeah, see there's a little bit of a smoke ring on that. That's perfect for our road trip in a couple of weeks. We're going to have some charcuterie in the car. Now, wow, that's good. Now, most of the smoke is on the outside, so we want it to meld for a week or two. So I'm going to take each piece, put it into some cellophane, and wrap it up tightly. There you go. I've got 2 chunks of smoked Gouda, cold smoked Gouda. I'm going to put that into a food saver bag. I'm going to put it into the fridge for 1 to 2 to 3 weeks, somewhere in there. That'll chill up, and the flavors will just go right into the center of the cheese. Okay, my cold smoked cheese is wrapped in plastic wrap, and then I put it into a food saver bag, and it's been about 10 days now. I'm ready for a road trip, so I'll open this up. It smells great. Cold smoked cheese. Thanks for watching.